Understanding the indirect object in English grammar. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial part of English grammar, the indirect object. Understanding this concept can really enhance your sentence construction and overall communication skills in English. So, let's get started. The indirect object in a sentence is the recipient of the direct object. To put it simply, it answers the question of to whom or for whom the action of the verb is done. For example, in the sentence, I gave my friend a gift, my friend is the indirect object, as he is the one receiving the gift. To identify an indirect object in a sentence, look for the noun or pronoun that receives the direct object. It usually comes just before the direct object and is often introduced by prepositions like to or for. However, in some cases, these prepositions are implied and not explicitly stated. For instance, she told me a secret. Here, me is the indirect object, receiving the secret. In English, word order is crucial for clarity. The standard order in a sentence with an indirect object follows this pattern: subject, verb, indirect object, direct object. Changing this order can sometimes change the meaning of the sentence or make it confusing. Let's go through some examples. 1. He sent his brother an email. His brother is the indirect object. 2. The teacher showed the students the new method. The students is the indirect object. 3. Can you pass me the salt? Me is the indirect object. And that wraps up our lesson on indirect objects in English. I hope this video helps you understand and use indirect objects correctly in your sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.